next thing to do is to start measuring up the main hoop. First attempt at bending. Basically I've made it too wide, so the width on the corners just basically exceed the width of the vehicle slightly, so I've ordered more tube and I'll have another go. I didn't film bending the A-pillar bars, but I'm quite happy with how they came out. I've set them up so there's the most amount of visibility on the A-pillar itself. The A-pillars splay out slightly as it meets the roof, but the shape where the roof joins the A-pillar in the corner, it's actually the only way it can be, so I've basically gone with visibility over look for the top fitment. It's nice not being able to see the roll cage from the side profile, so as you can see again there's a really nice fitment where it meets the bottom of the windscreen, but at the top there's slightly more of a gap. But I've basically gone for visibility on the pillars. I also made the windscreen bar. Another thing I carefully considered was where I made the bends on the roof line of the A-pillar. Now a lot of roll cages have the bend further up, so you've got a longer stretch on the side of the windscreen. The reasoning for having the bend in the middle and further forward is if you have an impact on the corner, so the first point of contact is going to be this point here if you rolled the car, you've actually got it on a bend, so you've got two bars at an angle going towards each other, so you've actually got more strength. Whereas if this section was straight up till there, you've actually got more chance of bending this hoop if you get an impact right on the corner. So while I wait for more tube to turn up to have another go at the main hoop, I'm going to clean up the inner arches at the front.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Tube, and I've made the main hoop again. This is the second attempt. I've just tried it in the car. It does fit quite nice. I'm just going to have to take a tiny bit off the feet and I'll test fit it again. get started on the roll cage, I'm going to weld in the front sill stand tubes. As I said before, I won't be able to get to the inside once the A-pillar foot plates are in place. To make things a little easier down the road, I'm going to clean up the inside of the B pillar. If I need to weld the cage to the inside of the body, then it'll be clean. Next up, I'm going to prepare the main hoop for tacking in the car. The other side in place, and I've just used cable ties to hold the top level. Now the 8 pillars are tacked in, I can start on the windscreen bar. I've now tacked the windscreen bar in.